Number 1. Russia will soon register a second COVID-19 vaccine, Russian President Vladimir Putin said, speaking to the Russian upper house lawmakers. The healthcare system is now ready to efficiently counter COVID-19, he added. This comes after the Russian Health Ministry said that it will complete the registration of Vector Center's COVID-19 vaccine, Epivac Corona, by October 15. 2. Rome-based Lazzarini Design Studio recently unveiled Avantgardia, a $500 million concept mega yacht, shaped like a swan with a movable neck and removable head. The neck and head could be lowered and used as a cockpit, and the head could also be detached and used as a separate 52.49-foot tender. The rear of the deck can hold 2 electric jet capsules. Number 3. In his first address to the UN General Assembly, Saudi Arabia's King Salman said that Iran's actions have led to instability in the Middle East and threatened international peace and security. The 84-year-old ruler also said that Saudi Arabia's past efforts to establish peaceful relations with Iran have been used by the Iranian regime to intensify its expansionist activities. Number 4. China carried out several cyber attacks between 2012 and 2018, including computer attacks against Indian satellite communications in 2017. US-based China Aerospace Studies Institute said China has several counter-space technologies to threaten space systems from ground to geosynchronous orbit, the report stated. These include direct ascent, kinetic kill vehicles, and directed energy weapons. 5. Saudi Arabia will allow pilgrims residing in the country to undertake Umrah pilgrimage from October 4 after stopping it for 7 months due to the pandemic, state media reported. Initially, 6,000 people will be allowed per day, which will be increased to 15,000 by October 18. The country will allow visitors from specific countries to perform Umrah from November 1. 6. The Eiffel Tower has been evacuated after authorities received an anonymous phone call around noon local time, claiming a bomb had been planted there. Armed police sealed off the area and established a security perimeter, while the local media reported that sniper dogs and bomb disposal technicians were searching the area. 7. Federal prosecutors said that a 65-year-old Pakistani American, Obedullah Syed, has been arrested for allegedly exporting high-performance computer equipment and software application solutions from the US through Pakistan Atomic Energy Commission illegally. Syed, his company, and others are accused of sending the materials to Pakistan between 2006 and 2015. Syed is currently in federal custody. 8. The plane carrying US Vice President Mike Pence made an emergency landing shortly after striking a bird on Tuesday night, returning to the New Hampshire airport from where it had just taken off. No one aboard the jet was hurt. A plane carrying President Donald Trump reportedly had a close encounter with a small drone on August 16. 9. Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos' spaceflight company Blue Origin is considering developing Free Flyer commercially space stations with NASA as its early customer. According to a recent job posting on its website, the listing indicated that they are looking for someone to lead the development of habitable space stations in low Earth orbit as part of its new product line. 10. NASA has shared a video of sounds from around the Milky Way after a new project using sonification turned astronomical images from NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory and other telescopes into sound. The translation begins on the left side of the image and moves to the right, with the sounds representing the position and brightness of the sources, NASA explained. 11. About 380 pilot whales who largely washed up on sandbanks around Macquarie Heads have died in the worst mass stranding in Australia's history. Around 50 whales have been rescued, while rescuers are trying to help the remaining estimated 30 whales. The rescuers spotted 270 whales near Strahan and 200 whales were spotted later dead by a helicopter nearby. 12. Singer Zayn Malik announced he and his girlfriend supermodel Gigi Hadid have been blessed with their first child. sharing a picture wherein he can be seen holding the newborn's hand. Zayn wrote, "Our baby girl is here, healthy and beautiful. The love I feel for this tiny woman is beyond my understanding. Thankful for the life we all have together," he added. 13. Thailand's Ministry of Digital Economy and Society said it will file complaints with cybercrime police after Facebook, Twitter, and Google ignored court-issued orders to take down content. It added that it will also take legal action against 10 people who criticized the monarchy on social media during protests. This would be the country's first such cases against tech firms. 14. Flight Lieutenant Shivangi Singh has been the first woman pilot to join Rafale's Golden Arrows squadron in Ambala. Flight Lieutenant Singh was commissioned into the IAF in 2017 as part of the second batch of women fighter pilots. He is reportedly flying a MiG-21 Vision currently. As per reports, she is presently deployed at Rajasthan Air Base. 15. New coronavirus recoveries in India have exceeded the new cases for the 6th consecutive day, with the total number of patients who have been discharged so far reaching 46,74,987. Total cases have increased to 57,32,518 after a single day spike of 86,508, and death toll has surged to 91,149. Active cases stand at 9,66,328. Tell us in the comment section which type of news you are interested in.